officially called the F your eardrums meet, I guess.
There's no way we are selling this car. So sick, bro. The Japanese skyline meets the skyline of downtown LA today. It's been a long ass day. Jack and I went to the racetrack, but Schaefchen and Chazzy are having a meet, a gathering, so we're going there. Then afterwards, we're gonna go have fun in downtown LA. I don't really say anything because I don't want to incriminate myself, so we're gonna go sliding. But first, I'm gonna grab a Red Bull because it's been a long day. Mamma mia! I love this car. There's no way we are selling this car. Bro, I feel like a child in this car. I never thought I would like this car. Once you start buying supercars and all that stuff, you forget about the Hondas and the Nissans and all that. But honestly, this car makes me happier than any of my Porsches, except for the CGT. CGT over this any day, but these noises, the way it looks, you can put underglow lights on this car. You can't do that on a Porsche. And this car, believe it or not, gets more attention than any other car I have. Like, people literally pull up to us. There was a Tesla that almost drove us off the road trying to catch up to us just to take a picture. But anyway, we're 2 minutes away, so I'll see you guys at the meet. Very nice.
Back up. No, are you doing? Dude, what the f is going on?
I have no idea. Dude, I thought someone crashed. The way they came out running.
Alright, so we made it to the meet and we instantly got yelled at because cars were moving. I don't know why it was that big of a deal, but we're here. It's about to get very loud.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are at apparently my meet, so I have to give you guys a tour since I know best what's going on, apparently. What's pulling out there? 33? 32?
Yeah.
No. 33. This guy doesn't know his GTR.
I don't know.
Here we have a white body packed Supra, very nice, an orange Ferrari, very nice. Apparently we gotta move. Seems like a very nice guy. This meet is officially called the F your eardrums meet, I guess. Alright, let's continue. Next time you come to my meet, please clean your wheels. Thank you. Yeah, Snake, what's up? I was not sure.
What's up, bro?
While you're sitting in the car.
I think we'll go home. Bro, my head hurts. Wanna hear it?
Wow, that was very awkward.
Wanna hear it?
It's okay.
Later, bro.
Okay, finish tour. Those are some very beautiful wheels on that M4. So why do I have to do Edmond's video, by the way? Edmond, I deserve pay for this. Thank you. Then we have a Supra.
Oh, that's not good.
Oh, they're gonna make flames. Is that an E39 M5 wagon? That is insane. I'm gonna come in my pants. Perfect timing.
Perfect time. That is actually gorgeous.
Nice, it's not an M5, but it looks good. F10 M5 is always nice, by the way.
What's good, baby? Good to see you.
Where do you want us?
What's good? Follow me back here.
That is the most expensive front bumper I've ever seen.
The meet was incredibly hectic, so we're gonna go meet up at a spot and figure out where we're sliding. Should be fun. We have a camera car, we have Otto or Schaefchen, Mr. FundedTrust. Should be solid.
No, it's okay. Yeah, I'll see you in a sec. Okay, bye.
Yeah.
Otto's entire existence in LA is checking axles. He goes,
No, wait, you can see it on the video. Take a video of it and you will see it.
oh yeah,
Yeah.
oh funny.
I think it was honestly me, but for the record, he told me to break the car.
No half cents, right?
No half chance.
No, that was not a half cent.
Yeah, I guess I broke an R34 GTR in Los Angeles.
Axle's gone?
Axle is gone.
Porsche would never. State that one for the record.
Since we're out here now and it's finally not ear-raping time anymore, I'm obviously younger than Edmond, and I didn't do any YouTube up until like 3 years ago, and I used to watch so much YouTube, but the only channel that I really watched regularly was Edmond's like videos. It was insane. And then he came to Europe with the Moselago. I hit him up and I was like, yo, we should crash the mountains, you know? But then his car broke, so we didn't.
We were nobodies back then. We had like no following, no one knew us. Hit me
like
up.
2018 or something. Crazy long time ago.
You were doing cool stuff back in like 2018, 2019.
Yeah, but only Instagram stuff.
Yeah. And then now he's like the inspiration now.
I need to bring mine up.
We were watching one of your videos the other day.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the Monterey one. I was watching with him.
Yeah. Where you get
He didn't learn his lesson from me not to do donuts in Monterey. We've done some cool stuff. We jumped your pre-runner in my warehouse.
That was also very long ago.
Tell us about your truck.
There's nothing to tell you. It's a clapped out 96 Ranger. What the f are we doing?
Oh shit! That's so sick.
Like 3 years ago nearly now.
Yeah, maybe 4 years ago. That was SEMA of like 2021 or 2022.
We need to do more cool stuff though.
Yeah, absolutely. We were talking about coming to Europe.
Yep.
You should bring a car. I love stuff where like people take their car across like different continents.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's just really, every time I see a car with like US plates in Europe, I go wild.
Tell me which car and I'll bring it over. Let's do something over there.
Carrera GT would be pretty wild.
Carrera
in the
GT?
mountains.
That's like the next step up from the Mercy, right?
Yeah.
I can't take the
don't
GT3,
think-
I can't take this after the Mercy.
I think the only logical step is the GT3. Carrera GT, sorry.
Carrera GT, okay. Set some things up,
Yeah.
I'll come. Okay, I'll ship it over.
Gonna see him get banned from the Nürburgring again.
European sheep with me. We have Alex Choi, we have FundedTrust, we have my GT3, and we have a beautiful lake bed all to ourselves. Otto's already been here before. I haven't been here, so he's gonna show me what a Porsche is capable of doing. So if anyone's watching this, it is not me driving, it is all Otto. And because he has immunity since he's from Europe, we're perfectly legal and safe today. No half sense. I wonder how loud it's gonna be, just echoing off of these. Oh, there's nothing.
There's nothing for it to echo off
It's gonna
of.
be very quiet. I'm sorry.
Headbang.
We're gonna do some flybys. I want to see how dirty we can get the car. I think that'll be the challenge of today. If every single corner of the car is dirty, it's mission accomplished.
Sounds like a good plan. We have our scout plane ahead. Alex,
Yes, sir.
do a looping.
A barrel roll?
Yeah, please.
Can he?
That's okay.
I think that means no.
I see you.
I'm making a U-turn right now.
How sick is this? Alex calls, he's like, I get my plane there in 20 minutes if you guys want to go to the lake bed. So, of course, we're going to say yes. Now we're at the lake bed. Let's go have some fun.
As far as the GT3, these are like the aluminum Carrera fenders. They're $1,000. Those are 22,000. So crack one of those and it's a shitty day for everybody. But one day I'll be rich like Edmond and have a lot of cars. So.
Oh my god.
That was nice though.
That was sick.
How fast was that, you think?
I'm gonna guess 115. You think it's faster?
I have no idea how fast it is. A kilometers per hour, it was pretty fast.
Dude, that just looks so sick. Wow! Oh my god. Yeah, what the hell,
Hey, is it mission accomplished? Oh my god.
dude?
Yeah, there's not a corner on this car that's not.
Sorry.